Keith Smith, and this is a Cop Squad update, December 1st. The items that we've completed are the Cop Server init, Cop Server start, Cop client register, and Cop client enroll commands. Currently in review, so the work is complete, but they're currently being reviewed in Garrett. Are number one, the DB support, SQLite, MySQL, and Postgres. Clustering support enabled by this database support for we tested with the HA proxy sprayer and a Postgres database. Also in review are two new commands, the Cop client re-enroll command, which allows you to renew an eCert, an enrollment certificate. Also a Cop client revoke command, which allows you, as part one of this, given the review, that review change set contains a JIRA item which describes all of the other parts of that review, the other parts that need to come. This first part allows you to revoke a specific certificate that's identified with a serial number and an AKI, where AKI stands for Authority Key Identifier. Both of those you can find in a certificate itself. The other parts of the Cop client revoke will be coming in future change sets. Number 5, improved user management abstraction. This enables us to provide LDAP support by implementing this abstraction, and that is coming in the future. Currently in progress we're continuing work on T-certs. Just beginning review on some of that. Some of the to-dos left are BCCSP integration for HSM support. BCCSP stands for Blockchain Crypto Service Provider, and that's our crypto abstraction layer that's part of Fabric. HSM stands for Hardware Security Module. Number 2 in progress, CLI improvement. See Fab 1170 for more information on that. Number 3, Docker Compose for Cop cluster. Letitia's working on that. Integration for CI so that we have automated tests for Cop running in a cluster. Number 4, we're extending the certificate table schema with the enrollment ID in order to enable part 2 of the Cop client revoke command to be implemented, which requires that we be able to find all the certificates for a particular user with an enrollment ID so that we can revoke them. Number 5 in progress is BCCSP enablement of CFSSL itself for HSM support. This requires places that, for example, create a private key pair. It has to be done through BCCSP. And now for the future, as I mentioned earlier, we're looking at supporting LDAP. Specifically what that entails is outlined in Fab 1144 for more information. We're looking at supporting some audit capabilities. You can see Fab 1228 for more information. And actually going to deferred work for V1 is what is in section 1.3 of this design document. These are all of the ledger commands, ones that allow you to, for example, add a new trusted root certificate and then let people vote on it before it gets submitted. This capability will still be there except in V1, except gathering the signatures will be a manual process, and then it's submitted to the orderer. But anyway, you can look at section 1.3 for more information about that. And that's all for now. Thanks.